23, 27, 24. So this is called the mini split. This is a 4 of them. Each room gets one. So that's 1, 2, 3, and somewhere there's a fourth. And you see all those white lines in the back? That's the copper lines that travel into them. They're called line sets. And the main unit is right there. So that's the compressor or the condenser, and all these vacuum lines. Each one of those units get 2 lines, and this is about a $4,500 system. So that's called mini split. It does heat and cold. So over here. So now we're going to show you a heat pump, and the heat pump, its technology is just like the mini split, but then it does it in one unit, not like each unit by the window. So right here is a Mr. Cool heat pump. Mr. Cool looks like that, and so both heater and AC is all in one. That's what it looks like.